Hey guys, it's Lisa, and today we are doing a good old Zara unboxing. I have four big boxes that I am going to unbox with you guys, and then my daughter Brooke is going to help me. She is going to steam them. I have a lot of people ask me, what steamer do I use? I have a big, well, it's kind of like the businessy looking one, the industrial one. It's the Jiffy steamer, but it's pink, and it does work well. If I didn't steam as much as I do for these try-ons and everything, I would probably just have, just a handheld one. And then I'm going to try these things on while I'm opening them for you. And then, so I won't forget, my lip combo today, it's a good one and it's new. I just showed it to you earlier today in my Friday haul. It is the new Buxom lip gloss in Apple Cider Mule. Very, very good. And then the lip liner is good too. Can you see it? It is, of course, this is like after my other lip liners today, but that's when you get the best lip, is when you've worn some off and put some more on. It's called Savvy Sienna. But two really good products. Okay, and then my earrings are Dean Davidson. I showed you this stuff earlier today too. It's his new collection. It's really close. Yay! Brooke, you're gonna love this stuff. This is so pretty.
That's cute.
Isn't that gorgeous? Remember the gray suit that I had that was kind of manly like this? It was linen though. This is more of it's not wool, but it has that feeling. And I love the shape of this blazer. It's not double-breasted. It is just straight, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This little detail, little thread I need to cut off. And let's see what it's made of. It's 100% viscose, the lining, and then the outside
Feels good.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
I'm not exactly sure, but it has like a woolly almost feel to it. And it does have small shoulder pads. I really like it. It's really cool. And you're going to see why. Okay. Here. Okay. You'll see a whole theme here of the chocolate brown that I told you I've been loving. Chocolate brown, leopard, green, and black, and white. Splash of red. This is a new vest, brown pinstripe. And then one thing that I always see on Pinterest, and I always forget to do it, and I need to do it more, is a vest underneath a blazer. Like you could even do, if you're really layering, like it's really cold where you are, you could do a really nice turtleneck or base shirt, like something heat temp, one of those that really keeps you warm, or cashmere turtleneck, this on, and then a really big blazer or peacoat, but just so pretty. Okay, your baby. And I did get some shoes in this order that we will try on. Ooh, look at these, bro. I love them.
I looked at your Zara account.
Oh, okay. I was like, how'd you know?
Yeah.
These are nice. Okay, and they are by Ortholite. So they're not real heavy, and they're see how they're nice. Very edgy. How would you describe this look other than cool girl? On trend, current, funky, edgy.
Yeah.
All of those things. With a slight nod to
Like a cool girl, clean girl.
Cool girl, clean girl. Okay. You'll put those over there. So that is it for this box. Okay. So now let's see if I can successfully open this box without hurting myself. Okay, here we go. This is a heavy one. This has got to have most of the clothes in it. Brooke, I don't like this so much. Brooke has always been more like my mom, where she likes fall clothing, actually, like the muted colors, the sweaters, the long cardigans, the browns, all that stuff. She's not as much into like all black and the black blazers and stuff. Yeah, and she said working at Ulta ruined it. Okay, so here, oh, this is so cool. I remember it. Look at this frog. Look at this.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
So it's like a cape and a sweater
Cardigan thing.
at the same time.
Is it like double line?
Yeah, so it's going to be warm, but let me see. Like, does your arm go through there?
You do. Yeah, that's cool.
Wow, that is so cool. My rep from the Gucci store in Soho sent me a really cool poncho, and it has like the Gucci thing right here. And I just don't think I'd wear it enough, but I had just ordered this. So ponchos must be the thing. Okay, what would we be without a pair of trousers? But look at these. Oh, these are so good. So these are going to be the trousers, elastic waist, full leg, gray pinstripe. These are going to be perfect for your layering with a big sweater, a big sweatshirt, your sneakers or your loafers, and like a big coat, and just perfect. But the ease of the elastic. Aren't these cool? Then look at these. So these are more of the double waist that I love, that almost looks like your boxers are showing. And they're the brown pinstripe with this white piping down the side, which gives it that little bit of a athletic look. It just adds interest to your outfit. And of course, anytime you have a vertical stripe like that, it's going to make you look taller and leaner. These are really cool. Okay, another pair of shoes. And they do send their shoes in a dust bag. Ooh. Okay, I did roll the dice on a few of these to see if I was going to like them. I don't know about these. I was trying to step out of the box, but I think I stepped out too far. I feel like I should either be 95 or teaching dance. Don't know. Let me know what you think. I do like the color, but I just know I'm not going to wear these. They do, I mean, they are.
I think they're cute.
You think
A
they're
lot of
cute?
the stuff you've gotten, I think, is like, it's almost like academic.
Academic looking.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or like British. It's hard to explain
Yeah.
the vibe of everything you got. I like it. It's kind of like, I mean, that's the song.
Almost like really, really high fashion girls that are so plain.
Yeah.
Quiet elegance.
It's basic,
and
but it's like
posh, almost like the row and things like that. So
I think those are
okay,
What
I will
throws me
give them a
off-
try.
What throws me off is I think the heel,
Yeah.
but they're cute. I like the color.
Okay, we'll give them a try. Okay, and we'll go ahead and get the other shoes out. Oh, I can already tell I'm gonna like these. Oh, look at these, Brooke. I always think to myself, no matter what, no matter where I am, always you need a pair of flip-flops in case your feet are hurting. Look at these babies. Oh my gosh, and the top is like this satin. I would not say that they are like super bendable, but I think they're super fashionable. I love those Hobbiana Dolce & Gabbana ones I got, and they sold out so fast. And plus, with these being chunky like this, they're going to look good with trousers, like the brown trousers. And I love like the side. Yeah, these are keepers. Okay, now this outfit, I know a lot of you had no appreciation for the whole totem inspired pajama type outfit look, but I like it. I remember when I was at the Like to Know It conference this year, one of the speakers had on a whole totem outfit, and it looked so pretty to me. And it gives you lots of layering possibilities. So I saw this and I thought we would try it. So here are the pants. I don't know, I feel like these have a real designer look too. Kind of like, well, I mean, let's face it, it's inspired by Totem and Loewe and all of those things. And then the top is very different for me, very different. But I thought a lot of you may like this. It's kind of easy, breezy, flowy. Would really look good with a long necklace, like a long pendant or something like that. Very chic, very, very chic. A lot of this stuff isn't that wrinkly. Ooh, I love these. I can already tell I love these. I am just still so drawn to the whole black and white. But these are some new trousers. Oh, okay, they're basically like the brown ones, but in the black and white. Love these. These with your, like today I still have on, I wore it earlier in the video, but it's the Quince cashmere sweater. But these with like a black sweatshirt or a white button-up shirt and then a big jacket. That's cool. Yay! Look, Brooke. These are the matching pants to the jacket.
Oh, that's cute.
It's a whole suit. Oh, I love the contrast stitching, flaps on the pockets. You guys, this is so good. So good. I hope you can see it. I love those. See, I think those would look good with all the, what were the first shoes? The first shoes were the pony loafers. It would definitely look good with those dance teacher
Yeah.
shoes.
That would be really good.
Wow, okay. You then don't stop there. Another pair of shoes. Oh my gosh. I really outdid myself on the shoes. You can tell what's on my mind. Comfortable, cool shoes. Wow, those are cool. You know, last year I had a fit over this soft loafer, and I wonder, are these black or brown, Brooke? You'll have to look at them. I think they're just black, like a black brown.
You could express that.
Yeah. For some reason, I was feeling like they're brown, but they look black brown. They look like my favorite color eyeliner.
Yeah, that's a black brown. Yeah, or like just like a off black.
Cool. Okay. I'll have to take these off. I'll try them on for us. I'll suck it up for us. Okay, now let's see what we have in here. Oh, okay. Show me the first blazer again. She already has them all hung up, ready to go. So those pants didn't go with that blazer. They go with this. It's like a leisure suit. Okay. But that is the blazer. Sorry, I was mistaken. But you could still, of course you could still wear those together. But I knew that those pants were part of a set. Wow, that is such a good blazer. That is so cool looking too. Very different with those pockets like that. Really nice. And so this shirt goes with the pants. I'll have it on. I'll try it on for them. Okay. Thank you, baby. Oh, something else cool. There we go. Another capey thing. And this one, yeah, has the armholes right here. And wow, look at this, bro.
Oh, that's cute. I like the other one more, but that is, yeah.
Yeah, this is like so perfect. Let's see if this really works. Hey. Oh, yeah. Okay. You turn it like a turn lock. You know, the Chanel has the turn lock cardigans. Okay, so Gucci has with the horse bit cape. So you can see how this is a little bit of spin off, but it's all one piece. I did get the small, and I will put all of the links down below in order, and I will add the sizes. Wow. Okay, so it has two copies. Really cool. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I remember these now. I really hope I like these. I hope they fit so good. Look at these boots. Zara always has good boots. The colors are always perfect. And I loved how these are kind of like a taupey nude. I feel like these would look good with so many dresses, skirts. It's not going to be a boot you wear with jeans or anything like that. Okay, one thing that alarms me a little bit is there's no zipper.
Huh.
I love the seam. I'll have to put on some like knee-high hose or something so I don't have to cut them off ugly. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you saw something that you liked. I will have everything linked, listed below, along with any other thing, any outfit that I end up putting together tomorrow to show you these things. I will have it listed below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.